be so kind, I think they're all about there. We'll count down from 5 down to 1. Guys getting the rear defenders on, and then we'll start the 30-minute speed car. See if you can guess what the guys are making. I don't know, they don't know what the other cars are making. See if you can guess as the shapes begin to emerge from the wood. Children too, great to watch. It's like watching speed carving in fast forward. Here we go then, if you've been so kind to help me count down from 5, loud as we can, so the carvers can hear us. Here we go then. 5,
he's got the best weather.
Right down to the finished sculpture.
I don't think something like that because it'll be very difficult
now
to
over there. Education and I am to watch these guys at work and see what they can make. Creating. These pyrographic groups really highlight the features of carving and make them stand out. On your feet, Milan Beetlestone down at the arena is oiling his piece up as well. The brilliant work that these guys do and how much they can achieve in just a minute to bid on and hopefully win one of their unique carvings here at Living Heritage. We're at 40 in the corner, we're looking for 50 now. Come on, 40 in the corner, 50. If you weren't for the delivery, I'd buy these, they'd all be on eBay tonight, Gary. On my right now, looking for 220. It's at 210. 210 right in front of me, 220, where it's going to go. We're at 250 then. Last chance, everybody, it's going. 255, back in again. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. 160 at the front. Looking for 170 now. 160 we're at.